In the bustling corporate world, Jordan was renowned, not for groundbreaking projects, but for a unique skill: expert procrastination. His motto? Why do today what you can put off until tomorrow? Or the day after? This habit often left his desk buried under a mountain of pending tasks, much to the exasperation of his colleague. Alex, ever the diligent one, viewed Jordan's approach with a mix of bewildered amusement and mild horror. One particularly tense Monday, the air in the office was thick with rumors of layoffs. The dreaded restructuring email had landed in everyone's inboxes, sending ripples of panic through the departments. Jordan, however, remained unfazed. More time for creative thinking, he quipped, leisurely sipping his coffee as others frantically updated their resumes. Alex, on the other hand, was a ball of nerves. "Jordan, this isn't a drill. We could lose our jobs," he exclaimed, pacing his cubicle. Jordan just smiled. "Relax, Alex. Sometimes the best strategy is no strategy at all, or, rather, a carefully executed strategy of wait and see." The layoff announcements began, and employees were called into the dreaded HR office one by one. Each departure sent a fresh wave of fear through the remaining staff. Alex watched in disbelief as perfectly competent colleagues, who had always been on time and on budget, were let go. He felt a cold knot of dread tightening in his stomach. Then, it was Jordan's turn. Alex held his breath, bracing for the inevitable. Jordan walked into HR with the same casual swagger he used to stroll to the coffee machine. Minutes later, Jordan emerged, a triumphant grin on his face. "Turns out my pending pile was so legendary. They thought it was a complex, long-term strategic initiative," he announced. Alex stared, dumbfounded. They didn't fire you?" he stammered. "Nope. HR said my innovative approach to task management was a testament to out-of-the-box thinking. They even gave me a project to streamline the pending process for others." Jordan beamed. Alex could only shake his head and laugh. Jordan, the expert procrastinator, had somehow turned his biggest weakness into a corporate strength. All thanks to a generous misunderstanding. But the story didn't end there. A few weeks later, the company realized its mistake. Jordan's strategic initiatives were, in fact, just delayed tasks, and the streamlining project was going nowhere fast. Alex, who had narrowly kept his job due to his consistent performance, found himself in a peculiar position. The company, embarrassed by the Jordan incident, needed a hero. "Alex," his boss said, "we need someone reliable to take over Jordan's strategic projects and actually get them done. Someone with a proven track record of timely completion." Alex, ever the professional, accepted the challenge. He spent weeks untangling Jordan's innovative systems, discovering forgotten reports, and overdue deadlines. Meanwhile, Jordan was, ironically, given a special leave of absence to reflect on his unique contributions. Translation: he was quietly sidelined. Alex, through his dedication and hard work, not only salvaged the projects, but also impressed management, leading to a well-deserved promotion. He learned that while luck might offer a temporary reprieve, true success comes from consistent effort. As for Jordan, he eventually found a job where his expert procrastination was actually valued as a professional napper in a mattress testing facility. And Alex? He continued to excel, always a few steps ahead, proving that slow and steady truly wins the race.